Breaking news, Coinbase agrees to support Spark token airdrop. Bitcoin is poised to go on a bull run, and a surprise token has skyrocketed to the moons. These are all the things that we're going to talk about on this episode of Max Crypto News. Good evening, family. How y'all doing? I want to welcome y'all to another episode of Max Crypto News, where we talk about these intangible coins at all times, family. Listen, family, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube page, Bittrex, look, go ahead and type it in right now. Google BitMax on YouTube. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button, family, so whenever I go live or post a video on YouTube, you will have access to that video, family. Also, thumb up the video, leave a comment, share the video, let your family and friends know. If they want to learn anything about cryptocurrency, please subscribe to BitMax on YouTube so you can get this information at all times, family. So we're going to share my screen. Also, family, listen, if you are in the crypto world and you're trying to sign up for my special advanced max crypto class, which is $99, listen, email me at maxcryptonews@gmail.com. Again, this is an advanced crypto class for anybody that's getting into crypto, whether you're a starter, immediate, or you are or pro. I don't care if you're a rookie, immediate, or pro. You want to sign up and get involved and take this advanced crypto class for $99. Again, email me at maxcryptonews@gmail.com to get the information and get started in this class, family. With that being said, we're going to jump right in, family. And what I'm going to do, family, I wanted to talk a little bit about Coinbase and this breaking news that they have just put out today, family. And this right here should make a lot of XRP holders real happy. Coinbase to support Flare Network's Spark airdrop. It's official, family. They have just made the announcement that Coinbase will support the Flare Network Spark airdrop. So it says, they just tweeted this, family, not that long ago. Coinbase plans to support Flare Network Spark upcoming Spark airdrop. If you're an eligible customer holding an XRP balance on Coinbase or Coinbase Pro on a snapshot date and time of December the 12th, 2020, 0 a.m. UTC, you'll receive Spark tokens from Coinbase at a later date after the Flare Network launch. The amount of Spark you'll receive depends on how much XRP you had in your account at the snapshot time, family. So this is great news for all the XRP holders that Coinbase will be supporting that upcoming Flare Network's upcoming Spark airdrop, family. So that's good news. So I know that we can expect XRP to go and skyrocket to the moon. Matter of fact, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take y'all straight to the chart right now. We're not even gonna wait. We're gonna go straight to XRP chart so we can see with the announcement of the news, you see how XRP have taken off just that fast. Now, right now, you see this triangle that we're in with XRP. Now, we need to get above this line. This is where I feel like we have to get above this line so we can get bullish. And we don't want to keep hitting the support line because eventually we're going to run out. And when we run out, we need to be going up. Now, either we're going to go up or down, but right now, that announcement was made, and it was automatically, as soon as it was made, XRP pumped, but now it hit this resistance. This is that resistance that we're being in. You can see that every time we get there and hit it, we get rejected. We got it here. We hit it again. It rejected us. Well, this is when we hit our all-time, the high. We hit it and we got rejected, right? We came down and we made a low. But this is our support line. Every time we touch this line, we bounce off. So we hit this and we thought we was going under, but we bounced. With this news, every time we hit this line, we bounce down. But I got a feeling with this upcoming Spark token and Flare airdrop, that we're gonna go over this line, family. And once we go over it, 68 cent will be our next 68 cent. We're gonna go and put it on the chart. I'm feeling good tonight. Do something I usually don't do. I'm gonna put it right up here today so we can see. We're gonna make this, what color we gonna make this one? We're gonna make this one blue. We're gonna put it up here. Live in action. So once we break this support line right here, our next this is our next area right here. 68 cent is our next resistance. Right there. Once we break this, we got to break this line, family. We tried to break it right then with that good news, but we weren't able to. As soon as we break this line, family, our next resistance will be here at 68 cent, followed by 72. I'm going to put it all up here today. Forget it. Right? Then we got one more, will be right here. This is the next resistance. But I don't expect these resistance to actually even do any type of resistance. I'm expecting it to take off. Right here, with 75. And then we'll touch this all. We're gonna touch this again, and I think we should pump right through all of them. But this is where, but we have to break this critical line right here to go back. We have to break this critical line. We cannot go below this. But with that news, I'm expecting us to really tear that line all to pieces and keep moving forward. So we will see how we'll look in the morning. But that's some great news, family, for all the XRP fans. All right, so let's get to CoinMarketCap real fast. And we see that the market cap is $572 billion. Bitcoin is making this move, is back up to $19,250. We want Bitcoin to close at $19,250. Ethereum has made a move. It's over $600. It's up. You know, you see XRP, that's up. Right? Litecoin up. Bitcoin Cash up. It was looking dire yesterday, but things are changing. Cardano moving up. Stellar moving up. You know, as the parent go, the children shall follow. That's the always saying. Everything is moving up. You have a couple. NIM is going down, but it's been on a nice tear over the last 7 days. So right now the market is looking good. So let's look at this Bitcoin chart real fast, right? And we're going to check this out. Again, same thing with Bitcoin. You know, this is This right here been our support. Whenever we have touched this line, we have bounced. You see right here, we touched it and we bounced. We took off. Again, we touched it here, we bounced. So we in this triangle, this cone, we in it, right? And you can see every time we touch a high, every time we try to get out of it, we bounce down. Here we go again. We touch it, we go down, right? Again, this is our all-time high. You know, we touch it, and what we do, we bounce right here. So this is the resistance that we have to break through this. Now, once we break through this, I think we're gonna test this all-time high. Actually, I don't even think like these resistance, they ain't gonna stand a shot. But we have to break through this before we get here, family. I mean, and to be honest, Bitcoin is in uncharted territory right now. So no matter how we look at these charts, you can have everybody trying to read these charts, everybody trying to say what's gonna happen. But to be perfectly honest with y'all, we're in uncharted territory. We can read the chart and tell you what it looks like, but that ain't the way it's been acting, because we expected a consolidation, at least of 30%, but we haven't reached the top. We haven't topped out to that point wherein Bitcoin is going to make that correction. So that means we haven't reached the high yet. We haven't got to that point yet. And soon as we break this barrel, we tried to break it today. We got right there. And you can keep seeing, you can look at it. Every time we touch it, we dip. We touch it, we dip. We got close to touching it again, dip. We touched it today and we dip. So, you know, and this is our support right here. This really is the 290-day moving average, you know, but you can look at this and see every time we hit this, we bounce. So this right here is our support. Got a lot of support here in this area, right? This is moving with the 290-day moving average too, right here. You know, this time I got under it, but I look at this and see every time we touching it, we bouncing up. So we getting close though. Because once we get here, we don't know where we're going. Once we get here, we don't know. It's really hard to say, you know. But we need. I think we need to go over this, right? We need to get through this resistance right here. We need to go through this resistance. We get through this resistance, I think we're gonna make another all-time high. But we have to get through the resistance. The reason why I say that is you can go back, and this is where sometimes you can read these charts and you can see, you know, how things was going prior. See, you see that? You see this? You see that move? I could draw something to say how we were going up, right? We were just, hey, we were moving like the wind, right? But let me show y'all a little something. You see that candle? We need this candle to stay like we're going, right? But the last time we on our route to our all-time high, the last time you can see something. Well, we're not gonna handle that today. We ain't gonna deal with that today. I was gonna show y'all something, how it's so similar. How this run and this run is similar, right? After we hit the all-time high, you see the next one was a red candle. We're in the start of a red candle right now, right? But I don't think we reached the all-time high. See, I think this go round, we're like right here. I think this is similar, or right here would be similar to where we at right now. We haven't even really got that far in this bull run. It seemed like, but it really ain't. When you go out for the yearly chart, it ain't that long. And you can see how this one went on. You can say that this one started here in October. Or no, well, we'll take that back. I'm wrong. You can say October of 2016, and we went on the run. Basically, right now, if somebody could say, okay, well, it started in April because we bottomed out, right? You can say that in April that we bottomed out, right? In April, I mean, March, we bottomed out and we started moving, but I really see it as here. So like, yeah, since like October, you can't say July, but we got a lot more to go, family, to match what we did last time. All right, so let's get off that for a second. Now, family, what I wanted to do, also, family, listen, make sure y'all subscribe. Hit that like button and subscribe to Bittrex on YouTube. Please subscribe to Bittrex on YouTube where you can keep getting this content. If you're ready to get involved in my advanced crypto class, look, email me at maxcryptonews@gmail.com. Again, the class is $99. You will get access to 6 to 8 weeks of information on crypto, where we will be talking about this for 6 to 8 weeks straight, family. So you will see the proof is in the pudding. It's not something that we'll be talking about later on. We are making money right now as we speak, family, right? I just want y'all to know that, right? Also, family, also one more thing. Now, I want y'all to see this. This is Nexo, a coin. It was 12 cents, right? Now, this ain't the one. I'm gonna show y'all another one. I want y'all to see the date when I told y'all to get this coin. Let me get out of here, right? Let me show y'all something. Now, I told everybody to get this coin. Where we at? Let me get to it. There we go. Now, I want y'all to see the date and the time. Here we go. October the 11th. On October 11th, I done a review on the Nexo wallet. That coin was 12 cents. On October the 11th, 2020, my review of the Nexo wallet, at that time, Nexo was 12 cents. And I told you, hey, get the Nexo wallet and get this coin. October the 11th, 2020, family, I told you to get this coin, right? So you can't say you didn't know. If you've been following me, I told you to get it, right? Well, let's go to CoinMarketCap real fast. We're gonna refresh the screen. No, we ain't going. I'm gonna take you straight to Nexo. Now look at Nexo right now, family. Nexo is trading at 45 cents. Now let me go to the 3-month chart. So October the 12th. Here we go. Where we at? Here we go. October the 12th, right here. Nexo was at 12 cents. And I told you to get it. It's 45 cents right now, family. October, November. Basically, it ain't even been 2 months. It ain't even been 2 months. And a $12 coin that I told you to get. Look how this thing is looking, man. It got up to 47 cents today. Is that today? Yeah, today, up to 47 cents. And every day is keep making another high, another high, another high, another high. Nexo it's on a move, family, because it's going to test its all-time high. The market is, Nexo is really about to see what his market is. Don't nobody know what the market of Nexo is. Now, the only thing that you really can compare Nexo is one other coin out here that does the same thing. It's Celsius. Celsius does the same thing that Nexo does. Where's it at? And Celsius is at $2.39. That's how much Celsius is. And Celsius does the same thing that Nexo does. They give you loans on your money, on your crypto. So I go to Celsius website because it's a lot of people that compare Celsius and Nexo. It just so happened that I mixed the both for Celsius, so I jumped on Nexo because Celsius is already $2.40 but it does the same. You earn rewards, you borrow cash, you pay, you transfer. It does the same thing, it does the same thing that Nexo does, but Celsius actually, their rates are, I don't want to say they better, but like the USD coin rate is higher, because on Nexo the rate is 12%. This one is 13%. The Ethereum rate is higher there. No, on Nexo, the Ethereum, you can get 8%. Bitcoin, you can get 8% on Nexo. But the USDC, there's a higher, right? But you can compare these. But the purpose of me showing you Celsius price is, this is the market where Nexo is headed. This is the only crypto that you can compare to Nexo to see what is the value of Nexo. So let's say Nexo, they say, well, Celsius is a little bit older than Nexo, so Nexo only gonna get to $1.50, or it may not get to $2.39, but we're gonna say its market value is $2, $1.50. Let's say $1.50. Let's be modest, right? Well, even at $1.50, if you jumped in at 12 cents, and you go up to $1.50, family, you are looking good. You are not hurting right now. You're loving this, right? You're loving the amount of money that you have made off a 12-cent investment, especially if you buy a lot of them, family. Right? So this is another gem. I told you about XRP, I told you about XLM, and I told you about Nexo. Now this is stuff that I'm just giving on the YouTube channel, family. And if you're applying this information, you are seeing and you are able to reap the benefits. So it's no reason why you shouldn't be willing to go ahead and drop that $99 and get involved in this advanced crypto class, family. It's really no reason at all, because the proof is in the pudding. Like, I've already shown you and showed you what if you take my advice and listen to me, and again, this is not financial advice. This is just me telling you my thoughts and some tips and strategies that I'm doing. But if you apply what you've been hearing me say, you will already be up, family. So it will only behoove you to pay the $99, because obviously I'm going to tell you some stuff in this $99 class that I'm not letting you know on the regular channel. Obviously, it's some more stuff up my sleeve that I haven't let out. So maybe it may be worth it to spend that $99, especially if you have already heeded some of my words and took some of my prior advice and seen the benefits. Hey, $99 ain't a lot, especially when you're in the middle of a bull run and things is happening the way it's happening, family. So, with that being said, family, I appreciate y'all watching. Again, subscribe to Bittrex on YouTube to get this content. If you want to take this advanced crypto class, hey, email me at maxcryptonews@gmail.com. maxcryptonews@gmail.com. We're set up so you can pay that $99 fee, and we're going to get you off and running as soon as I receive that funds. I'm hitting you up, and we get you off and running, family. And I do have videos set up that I can send to you, right? With that being said, man, I hope y'all enjoy y'all night. All the XRP fans, you should be happy. For those that's enrolled in my class, it looked like what we wanted to do, we will be able to do. So listen, family, it's a great day. With that being said, peace, family. Enjoy y'all night.